Okay, guys.
Hi.
Hey, guys. Sorry. It's Kendall. Again, go share. Kendall and Kayla.
What?
Oh my gosh. So we're playing this
Wait,
game.
Kelsy? Oh my gosh, you were just playing with Kayla. Kelsy.
Sorry, our coach is named Kayla, so
We just had a private with her today.
a private lesson. Well, me and her are sisters, so well, no, we're not sisters. But what did I say? We're like BFFs, and we both have private lessons together with her. So like, that's why. Cause like we're both on the same level. We both have like our backflips and stuff. I just got my back twist.
Well, I had mine a month ago. She just got hers.
Now I have back twist. No, yeah, back twist. No, it's running, round off, back handspring, back
Yes.
tuck, half twist, and
I
then
love you
back
to
tuck.
mix.
Yeah. Oh, you're making some? I'm gonna make some. What colors did you add?
I don't know. I just added colors.
I'm gonna make some slime. I'm gonna make some. Sorry if you can't. Oh, wow. Macy, that's really.
We should call it Galaxy.
Whoa, you can't just leave this open unless you want it to dry out. Which I'm pretty sure you don't want to happen.
A little sticky for now.
Yeah, guys, sorry. We're going to Frozen after this, not to brag and all, but comment down below if you like Frozen, because I do. You doesn't.
Yeah, I
If you don't, like, who are you?
Yeah.
I'm kidding. That's really weird to say. La, 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 la. I didn't get containers to make it in, because my dad caught us. Did you start over?
know. No. No, I put something. See?
Oh.
I was gonna say, no, I There we go. There we go.
I'm gonna make it
The
fluffy.
yellow.
But
Oh, that's
where's my
Hey, look.
magic?
It's a little darker. I got it on the table.
You did? Oh.
It's fine.
Yeah,
Who
sure.
will notice?
Everyone. Macy, you got a fruit dye.
Oh, there we go. Oh, this might not work. Oh.
I'll just say if my parents ask why your hands lit, I'll say, oh yeah, we did a project at school with food dye. Ooh, I really like this color, but I want red.
Mix it together.
This is kind of a big bowl. When do you...
Oh, this might not work. Oh, come on. Oh, it's working. Why are you singing Merry Christmas songs?
Tis the season to be funny. What the heck? Sorry. Work. Baby go work. I'm a silly habit. Did you watch the Billboard Music Awards? Did you watch the Billboard Music Awards?
Not that I know of.
Comment down below if you watched the Billboard Music Awards last night.
Oh, my back.
You just dropped it. Ow! No, the glitter spilled.
It's okay.
No, it's not. We paid money for this. Why do I look so clean?
Oh, look. I'm putting that in there.
No, seriously, why do I look so tan?
Oh my god, my shirt. Guys, my mom's gonna kill me. Why am serious? We gotta do something. Get the evidence away. Guys, my one. This, my beauty awakens.
What are you doing? You're gonna make it worse. No, seriously, Macy, you're gonna make it worse. If you put that on your shirt, it's just gonna slime. No, you got slime in my thing. She's like, sorry guys, you need to see this funniness. She's putting soap on her shirt.
It's like washing the dishes.
Macy, you're ruining your shirt. What are we gonna do?
And you'll be there.
Macy.
Guys, that was the worst.
You're gonna get inside. You're gonna get into so much trouble. Sure, you're not.
It's getting better. It looks even better.
Are you sure about that?
Mm-hmm.
I want to go. Have you been to Salad Works before?
No.
You haven't? I want to go to Salad Works.
It's salad works.
It's amazing. They have the best salad ever. They have balsamic. Mac and cheese. Cause I know when you need it, you can get. I'm gonna make the slime work. Cause last time it was a catastrophe. Remember? Oh. Oh wait, yeah, you weren't with me last time. Macy, you just spilled glitter again. The same kind. Jeez, what is with you and the spilling today? Did you start over?
No. I just made it.
Then why is it white?
Because I made it top color. See,
Because you started over. I saw you get the glue and add more. Macy, seriously?
I didn't start over.
Yes, you did. I saw you.
Look.
You- Macy, the glue is near your shirt. You obviously started over. And you dropped it.
Look.
Okay, next time you start over, you're banned for making sign.
That's how you work it, but guys, just saying, we're having a lot of bad lighting. So please give a thumbs up.
Please shut up. Psych.
Psych 1, 2, 3, 4. My baby don't mess around.
Sure, she doesn't. Sure, your baby's not gonna mess up. Your baby's gonna mess around. This is bad. Guys, I'm going to wash my hands.
Wait, Emmy! Come here. I have something you can... He's busy. Hold on, guys.
That's really.
Guys, I'm telling you, these two slimes are the worst. I haven't been bad slime in a while. Guys, I wanted to keep a secret like I said last time. I want you to like it and make her feel like the best person because we have safety patrols and ambassadors. And she didn't get to be a safety patrol or ambassador, so I want her to feel welcome. And that's how I feel.
You have 2 minutes.
Why?
More like 2 seconds. What are you doing? If you get that on your shirt, I'm not cleaning it up, so.
Gosh, this is the worst slime I have
You
ever
put
made.
slime in my slime. Why are you using my pen?
You said I could.
No, I didn't. Oh, didn't say anything about it. Macy! That's your slime, so I might as well be allowed to do it.
Can you go towel? Oh, thank God.
Don't say God's name in vain.
Thank God.
I know, okay.
Yeah.
Don't mind my funny days are back here. Ooh, shot, ooh, shot.
I just need. Okay, guys, the slime I just made is like the worst, and this is the worst pile.
This is
Guys,
the
it's
worst,
like a-
but she may see my shuffling.
Guys, we tried to shuffle and it just doesn't work. And guys, please subscribe.
Click that. You have.
Ooh. This is bad, but I mean it's good. We're doing slime just as we should. And I was in a,
Barbie World.
and then I got in a stupid. Stop it.
Shirley World. I'm making words that don't exist.
And I'm making words that
Love me.
love me.
If you love me, let me go.
No, not you. Ready? If you love me,
Let
then
me go. If you love me, let me go.
Oh, this is cold.
My singing is horrible. Guys, if you guys have Musical.ly, we are doing a Musical.ly contest. Whoever likes, subscribe, and comment, I have Musical.ly. Give me your username, and I will be able to do the
And your
and I'll
slime is
search
very
it and
sparkly.
react to it. So, yeah.
Guys, I'm sorry. The old Taylor can't go to the phone right now. Why? Because the video is ending. End the video. End the video. End the
Okay,
video.
guys, we're gonna go. So, bye.